Download and sign up for 911Shield. Begin by going to your device's app store and searching for 911Shield as one word. Install the app and launch it. Then swipe through the opening screens, which will only appear once. Next, grant the app access to location services or search for KINGS and choose King's College from the list of schools. In the following screens, the app will request access to more services on your device. Though location services and access to your camera may seem like strange permissions to grant, these will help your device contact emergency services with information about where you are and what you can see. Enter the information for the requested fields in the app to establish your account contact information and PIN access code. Though some of the fields in the profile may seem strange, these will also help emergency responders identify you when they come to help. You can even include a picture for easy reference. I'll show you how to update this information in a minute, but for now, scroll and click Continue, then read and agree to the terms and conditions. After a brief app tour, you can use the app. Before you see the full commercial in a moment, please tap the user icon in the bottom center and then enter your PIN. This is where you can update your user information as it changes.
Our campus is now protected by 911Shield smartphone app. This free app lets you quickly and easily report safety concerns while attaching photos and videos if needed. If an emergency arises, the emergency button will directly call campus security. For best results, allow location services and connect to your institution's Wi-Fi. Download 911Shield for free on the App Store or Google Play.